the early childhood curriculum, what is a great way to transition from playtime to small group time?
Oh, I'm really glad you asked. I hear that question a lot because that's our biggest transition. You go from a time of free choice to a time where you're starting to have to sit with your leader and kind of follow the instructions with the group instead. So something we like to do is kind of give kids a heads up. Like 2 minutes before you start to clean up, it's like, hey guys, we're gonna start cleaning our toys up in a minute. Make sure you get to play with what you really wanna do. So they get an opportunity and they don't feel like they missed out. And then once we start the procedure, we start it consistently. We always go over to our picture that says playtime and turn it over and move our star to the next one after we've gotten the attention of the room. So they always see that cue. We always play the cleanup song. So there's that consistency too.
Okay.
And we consistently model for the kids like what to do. We make sure that we're cleaning toys up too, and we're helping them put shoes on too, and we're going over to the television too to get into small groups. So it's kind of like we're doing this as a group instead of, oh, kids, go do this thing that I told you to do. And it's really important that your first time, like that procedure might take a long time, but go ahead and make sure you're cleaned up all the way. All the kids are sitting down and ready before you start your prop talk, because if you just start moving on, the kids aren't prepared, then they're not going to learn that procedure very well.
And that consistency from every time.
Yes.
Well, thanks.
You're welcome.